Hey, my name is Aiden, and today we're building a professional tone wallet checker using JavaScript and the powerful Tone API. Let me show you what we're building first. Looks cool, right? We will build all of this from scratch. I will show you exactly how to get your own Tone API key and why it's essential for blockchain development. Let's dive in. First, let's set up our project folder. Okay, now let's quickly create the HTML structure. This will be simple, just a little input fields and a result section. Okay, after we finish the HTML and CSS, we will go to script.js. And now the real magic begins. And I have set up the Tone API as you can see here. And Tone API gives you access to live blockchain data, including balance, transaction, NFT, and even staking and DNS records. And why you need an API key? 1. Up to 100 requests per second. 2. Access to full wallet info. 3. Rich transaction history. And 4 is protected from rate limiting. And by the way, the default is only 1 request per second. To get your key, it's easy. Head to tonapi.io, sign up, and grab your free API key. And firstly, its main function to check wallet. Step 1, input validation. It's critical for UX. So we create accounts API key. After that, we validate input. Ensure a user has entered required data. And we use if condition. Let's get it. If next, we will set API key for use in API requests. API and show loading state to improve user experience. Okay, next is fetch account data from Tone API. It's like gets balance status, and after that we will fetch current recent transaction from Tone API, gets transaction history, and after that we display result in formatted HTML, and we will catch the error and show user friendly error message and reset button state regardless of success or failure. Okay, let's go to the code. After function checkWallet, we will go to Tone API interaction function. Okay, let's go to the code. Okay, let me explain for fetch transaction. Okay, first we will set up headers. for TONAPI authentication, and here is. After that, we will make HTTP GET request as same as fetchAccountData, like this, const respond, and if transaction can be fetched here, if not respond.ok, and we will console.warn could not fetch transaction, and we will return. After that, we will parse JSON response, and response contains transaction array with hash, utime in underline message, out underline message, and v. We will return here. Alright, we will go to setLoadingState function. Okay, I will explain about setLoadingState. It's show loading animation and disable button. Here we have button disable, and it's for prevent multiple clicks. After that, we will change button text in button.text content, and we will show result container in class list.add, and we will remove error styling in class list.remove, and we will result the content in our HTML like that. After this, we will go to function resetButtonState, and we have parameter button. Let's go. Okay, I will explain now its function resetButtonState with parameter button. But we will re-enable button with false, and we will reset button text with button.text content. After that, we will display error message with function displayError with parameter is result content, and message. Let's go. Okay, after we finish the display error, we will go to display results. Its format and show all fetched data, and with parameter is account data and transaction, and we will to convert balance from nanotons to tons. I will explain that later, and let's go. Okay, I will explain to you about function display results. It's have parameter account data and transaction. Firstly, we convert balance from nanotons to tons. Here is nanotons to tons. Alright, after that we build HTML for account information display. I have created, and we will add transaction. Add transaction if available. We have if condition, if transaction dot length is more than 0, then yeah, we will. Now you can see this, and we will update the DOM with formatted data. So after this, we will create function generateTransactionHtml. It's format transaction history for display. So let's get this. Okay, now I will explain to you about function generate transactions HTML with parameter transactions. And first we show only first 3 transactions to avoid UI clutter here. And we will go to format transaction data for display, and here is. After that, we convert timestamp to readable date here, and show shorten hash here. And after that, we will go to function convertNanoTonToTon with parameter nanotons, and let's go. Okay, after that we will create function formatDate. It's a utility function to format that, convert Unix timestamp to human readable date string, and here we go. After that we will create function fillAddress. FillAddress is input with sample address, and it's for helper function to populate address field with example address. Let's go. After we create fillAddress function, we will go to user interaction setup. So in user interaction setup, we will have to set up user interaction when page loads, and I will explain to you guys after I code this. Alright, I will explain the logic code here. Firstly, we allow enter key to trigger check, improve user experience, and we get here. After that, we will trigger while I check on enter key here and here. Okay, after we successful to create index.html, script.js, and style.css, we will try the web. Okay, let's go. And for you, if you doesn't know how to run the HTML, it's so easy. You can go to index.html, you right click it and open with live server. Alright, if you go to tonapi.io and after you sign up, you can create the free API key like this, and we'll copy to here, and I will enter my API key, and we'll go to example address to try. Okay, I think I got an error here. I can check the wallet balance, so I will fix this. Alright, I have finished my error, and as you can see, it's all the list. I got the error on. It's like mistyping and typo. It's not a big deal error like logic error or something else. And we will go try the website. Alright, don't forget to get your TONAPI key from tonapi.io and copy to here. After that, we will try some address. We have a sample address like this, check wallet balance, and fetching. We got this. So that's it. I create a TONAPI wallet checker with TONAPI. It's so easy. And thanks for watching until the finished video. Hope you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will give you a referral link for TONAPI, so you can just direct go to that link. Thank you guys. See ya in next video. I will create more TONAPI video. Thank you guys.